Hi, this is Dr. Todd Sullivan with Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. One treatment option we have for patients is active release technique. So active release technique is a soft tissue technique that we can apply to muscles, tendons, ligaments, or even if a nerve is entrapped. And basically what it is we place our hands on the muscle and then we have the patient go through active range of motion while we're maintaining contact with that muscle. And what it does is helps to loosen up the tightness in the muscle, helps to restore mobility and improve function. So what I'm going to do a demonstration of what active release technique looks like for her glute here. So what I'm going to do, I have the patient start with the muscle in a shortened position. So that in this case, it's going to be in this position here. And what I'm going to have her do is I'm going to have Renee bring her knee up. She's going to flex her hip up and then drop her foot down, rotating her hip like that. And she's going to come back down. And let's go through that again. And then hold for a few seconds. Good. And what the patient feels is kind of like a hurts good, feels like you're kind of massaging the tight area and getting it to release. This feels very comfortable overall though, and the patient feels great after we do the treatment. It just helps to release a lot of that tension and tightness, in this case the hips. The nice thing is this technique can be applied to all throughout the body. It works really well in the hips. We use it a lot for shoulders and rotator cuff injuries. Also a lot of the calf, plantar fasciitis, and tennis elbow or other areas we apply this quite often. There's also protocols we can do for the spine if someone's tight in the back or in the neck area as well. We often combine this with some of the other treatments we do in the office to just accelerate that healing and get the patient feeling better. If you have any questions about active release techniques, give our office a call at 703-912, or you can schedule online at novachirowellness.com.